Park Hotel in Enniscorthy. Oh. They do it. Wait.
Doors closing.
Oh.
Lift going up.
Wow, Piccadilly voice. Never actually heard this before.
Ground floor.
Ground floor.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going up.
Here we are in the other one. This is my first lift of the Piccadilly line voice. Cab.
Third floor.
A bit small in here.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Doors closing. Lift going down.
Going down. Ooh. One here a second. Quite nice. Oh. That's very small. 8 persons, etc. Riverside Park Hotel.
Basement.
Ooh, okay.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going down.
Oh, down again? I want to actually go to the 3rd floor. Beep.
Basement.
Very weird chime.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going up.
Very weird button one there. Pickerings, it's Ireland. Here we are.
3rd floor. Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going up.
Here we are in the other one, the side one, not the main one. I
3rd
believe.
floor. Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going down.
Yeah, I believe this is actually a modernisation of an older lift. I believe the other one's actually an
1st
add-on.
floor.
Because this one doesn't actually have an emerald cabinet.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going up.
This one has a very squeaky door operator and has a very nice motor. Listen to it.
3rd floor.
Ooh.
Doors opening.
See that?
Doors closing. Lift going down.
It like goes boo to start up. Very nice. To try again. Don't like phone. We're slotting this. Don't light up for a second.
Basement.
Yeah, light up for a second. Watch.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going up.
Up again. Quite smooth. Actually, over to the ground floor. I don't know what these buttons are. I think they're Schaefer. Some form of Schaefer. Pickerings.
3rd floor. Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going down.
Yeah, there's no signs of what this was originally. This is definitely a modernization because the other one is an MRL with an MRL cabinet, and this one doesn't have an MRL cabinet on the top floor.
Ground floor.
Yeah.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Doors closing. Lift going down.
Here we are in the side lift. Well, it's not really the side.
Basement.
It's the other one in the set.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going up.
Lift going up. It's not focusing. Alright. I absolutely love these buttons for some reason. That's down to -1, no.
3rd floor.
To 1.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Doors closing. I love that voice too.
Lift going down.
It's nice and smooth. It's a nice acceleration too. To 1.
Basement. Doors opening. Doors closing.
Change tone.
Lift going up.
Lift going up. I don't know why I'm doing these really.
1st floor.
Oops, whoops, oh no. There we are.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going down.
Main lift again.
Basement.
No CE on this, jeez. Oh, there's a fly in the lift.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going up.
For some reason 3 just lit up. There's a fly in the lift somewhere. Just lit up on its own accord.
1st floor. Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going up.
Ooh, it just went down before it went up. I don't really trust these lifts, to be honest.
3rd floor. Doors opening. Doors closing.
To be honest, I don't really trust these lifts. I prefer to have one from the big four, but apart from that, I don't know. How did I hold this here?
Ground floor.
Perhaps it's interlocked a bit.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going down.
Ooh. Yeah, no, I don't know. I just don't feel safe in this. Here.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going up.
Oh, I hate the start from the ground from the bottom floor.
Ground floor.
Focus.
Doors opening. Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going up.
Ooh. Yeah, the other one's back in service. It was broken for, well, it was banging its rollers
Third
two,
floor.
not opening.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
I don't think it's supposed to do this, but
Doors closing.
yeah, if you press close while it's open, it can reopen.
Lift going down.
Lift going down. Oh, yeah, these were installed in April to June 2014, set on the cabinet because the engineer was at it. It's a very odd display.
Ground floor.
Here we are.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
No.
Doors closing. Lift going down.
Yeah, I'm probably taking my last ride just now because it's about 12 AM and it's my last day, so yeah, it'll probably be the last clip. I don't know.
Ground floor.
Oh, okay. Alright, that'll be it.
Doors opening.